Hi guys, welcome back. We are going to be making the letter D. I'm going to start with the outline of letter D, and then I would section off this part where my hair will run down, and then I will braid it all the way here and attach the tail to this part if I don't have anywhere to braid it into. So starting off with the straight part that goes down, I am just going to do that here. Take it down, and I think my part is neat, so I am just going to pin this away here. So now making the curvy belly part of letter D, I can go like this, curve into C. So if you are braiding like a wedge, nothing stops you from making them close together and attaching the tail of one into the next. So I think we have the top part done. I want it to lap onto C, so continuing for the remaining part of D, go like this. Okay. Does this look like a D? Do we want to add more hair? Let's see. When I get confused, or just when I want to see clearer what my outline look like, I twist the hair together and do this. Okay, this looks like a pretty nice D, but I actually cannot extend it here. I wish I could just extend it into this place like this. Can I shift this back? I cannot shift this back. Let's see. So I think I'm just going to take off some from here so that I can go down or not. Section this off so that I can braid the hair coming downwards here. So I can just take a part of the back section of the D, let's say up to this length, this width. So this. So now guys, I'll try to brush this place like this while I braid it into the main braid. So I'm trying to keep the braid towards the outer edge of this side. So to close up this, crochet this into here. And so guys, this is our letter D. D is for, did you skip my ads? D is for don't skip my ads, so that I can make money. And one thing I can say from looking at this, maybe this thing will be slightly better if we have this line running across, like in the middle. Might be better if the line were in the middle, then this braid will be slightly bigger. I don't know, Shabo. This looks gorgeous, and it looks healthy, and it looks like a happy letter D. It looks like a happy letter D. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. The playlist containing other alphabets I have done is in the description bar. Please leave a thumbs up if you like this video or if it helped you at all. Bye.